Hello, my friends. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com, and welcome back to the messy studio. Every time you tune in, it is more of a disaster than the time before, and this is no different because we have so many fabrics and so many swatch books and so many choices. It's almost overwhelming. No one can even look at it all at one time. It's just too much stuff. But anyway, this is a different video. We're not here to talk about fabric. We're not here to talk about suits. We're not here to talk about jackets or shirts. We're here to talk about Hermes belts. So here we go. Welcome back, everyone. Phil Pravda here, and that's right, Hermes belts. You know, the beautiful H, whether it comes in gold or in nickel or gold plated, or one time I brought my brother an Hermes belt. I'm going way back in the 90s when they weren't like $1,000. But I bought him a sterling silver buckle that had like engravings on it. God knows what that costs today, probably $1,500. But what I found out about Hermes is very interesting. If you want to replace your leather strap, you can't get one without buying the buckle. So you got to spend $1,100 every time you want to buy a belt just to get a new color strap. Now, a lot of their straps are reversible straps, meaning brown on one side, black on the other. You can flip it. But, over time, the leather degrades, the holes get stretched out, and Hermes only gives you 3 holes to adjust on one side, and of course you have the other hole on the opposite side where the buckle fits in because it's a pin buckle. That's how their buckles work. It's a slide pin buckle. So customers of mine, they wear Hermes belts. They love their belts, but they want more colors, and they want to be able to buy just the leathers because they have buckles, multiple buckles, whether it's charcoal or gold or silver or a matte finish, like almost like a carbon fiber type of buckle. They have the buckles because they bought the belts, but now they want new colors, new leathers, and Hermes won't sell it to them. So guess what? That's where I come in. Hey, Phil, can you make me leather that looks like the Hermes belt leather? I mean, it doesn't have to be that quality because, the Hermes quality leather is really not that good. It's hard. It's stiff. It's okay for a belt, but it's not fantastic. It isn't. So, of course, what do I find? I find something even nicer, and I'm going to show it to you right here. See all these boxes? All these boxes have belts in them, and we're going to open these up right here. We're going to open these up, and I'm going to show these to you. Okay, so let me show this to you right here. These are leather belts, and we made them in different colors and of course different sizes. Now, Hermes, I think the longest size you can get is like 125 centimeters. That's the longest, which maybe is a 42 or 44 inch belt in US, but this is 135 centimeters. This is a much longer belt, and I'm going to show you here. Maybe I'll start from the other end. Look how nicely they come packaged. I'm going to show you from the other end. Each one individually packaged. It's almost like a snake, right? So here you have, all right, here we go. So here you see we made, instead of 3 holes, we made 5 holes. Let me hold this up close, and I'll hold it nice and still. There you go. You can see the leather grain. This is with the tone-on-tone stitching. So the edges have it's hard to keep it focused. There you go. The edges have the brown stitching with the brown belt, and the underside is also a slightly, I can't really see here, but I think it's brown with black. All right, so here you have black on one side, right? I'll hold it still so you can sort of see that grain. Let me move it closer. I think that works better. No, it's a little blurry. I don't know why. It works better with the clothing because the clothing is bigger. It's more to focus on. Let me see if I can get it like this, if you could sort of see it. Yeah, so you have brown on one side, tone on tone. This is the side that we're going to wear it on. And if you want to switch it, you can, but we made black belts too. And then you have black tone-on-tone stitching. So you could see how nice and soft and pliable. Look how this leather is. So nice and soft to wear. I mean, really, really great. So you have 5 holes here. Why 5 holes? Because when you wear a belt, and you can watch my video on YouTube about how to wear a belt. Maybe I'll post it up here. How to measure a belt, how to wear a belt. I do have a video. And actually, it's a fairly new video that I made. So it's an updated version of one I did like almost 10 years ago. So I'll put that video up here on a card so you can click on it about how to measure and wear a belt properly. But you want to have your belt closing in this hole. That's the hole you want to use, the middle hole. You want to have 2 on this side and 2 on this side just for adjustment in case you lose weight, if you gain weight. But ideally, you want to be here in the middle. Now, what does Hermes do? They only give you 3. That's all. They don't give you this one and they don't give you that one. So you don't have much leeway to lose or gain any weight because you're not going to have any holes left over there. You're going to be bringing it to a shoemaker to punch an extra hole into your $1,000 belt for you, right? So let me show you the other end. Now the other end of this belt, if I can get to it, okay, just has one hole. Why? Because your Hermes buckle fits on top and the pin buckle, the pin goes right into that hole. So when you slide it with the other end, right? When you slide it over with the other end, the pin goes through, locks in to the other holes, and then you just have the H right in the front, right there. So that's how those, pin buckles work. But if you're wearing these types of belts, you already know that. So let's go through these boxes. This was, I don't know what's in each box because, they're not labeled, but we have multiple colors. We have black, we have brown, we have also navy blue. But let's see what we got. And then we have one other one that's a real fashion color, which, maybe this is the fashion one I picked out right away. Let's see. Is it? It may be. Let me see what color this is. No. Okay, so here's another one, and I'll show you the difference. So this is, it's hard to see in the light here what it is, but, okay, so there you go. This is black, I believe, but this has the contrasting stitching. So the other one had tone-on-tone stitching. This is contrasting stitching. And the back is navy blue. So you have navy on one side, and you have black on the other side. And you can wear both sides. Whichever side that you want to wear, you can wear. But to make it a little sportier, this has the contrasting white stitching all the way around, just like that. Okay, so you have that one there. And let's hit up another color. So these were all reversibles, but really made them, not to be reversible. So I know the gentleman, he's going to wear them just, one way. He's going to pick the side that he wants to use for the color that he wants, and that's the way that belt's going to get worn all the time. Okay, so let's see if I could. It's funny how they didn't label any of these little boxes, so you don't know. Oh, okay. Here's the very cool color. This is the traditional. Hermes has the orange shopping bags, right? So this is the orange leather. And of course, it has a different color on the back. We'll see what it is in a moment. But this orange leather. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at the orange. Wow, that's a cool. And it's a little bright in the light, but you could see towards the bottom there. That's more the true color. The orange there, and on the back, what do we have? Flip it around, and we have, I think it's black, right? It's hard to tell. It's black or navy. It's hard to tell in this light. But let's see. My suit is navy. So is this black? This is black. So you got black on one side, and you have the orange, the classic Hermes orange on the other side. Now, these are not Hermes leather belts. These are belts that I made that will fit an Hermes buckle or another type of pin buckle that you might have that would fit the width of this leather. As long as it fits the width of this leather, which I can measure for you right now because I got a tape measure right here. Let's see. We'll get centimeters, and we will get also inches. Where's my tape measure? Oh, here we go. Tape measure. We always have a tape measure available. Okay, so here we go. Let's measure. This is 1.5 inches wide. So there you go. If you have a belt buckle that takes 1.5 inches wide and it's a pin buckle, whether it's Gucci or Hermes or YSL or Philip Plein or whoever has those nice metal buckles you can remove and just stick it on with a pin buckle, it will fit any of these. And I can make these really any size. I mean, there might be a little upcharge to make it really extra long, but 1.5 inches right there, which is how many centimeters? This is 3 3/4. Yeah, 3 3/4 centimeters is what it is, or it's inches. You know what? I think it's they go by millimeters here. They don't use centimeters on the belt, so I think it might be 35 millimeters, 38 millimeters, 35, 38 millimeters, somewhere in there. 35 or 38 millimeters. So if you have a buckle that size, it's going to fit directly on this piece of leather here. So great color. I love this color. That's the orange. I love that orange. And let's see what other colors. We got 3 more. We have a few. We have some doubles, I think, but let's just take a quick look if we have some other really nice colors to show you. They come packed so nicely in a little baggie. Okay, so this is the navy blue with the contrasting stitching. So I don't even remember what we saw. So here's navy blue. I'll show you that. Okay, there's the navy. Navy or black? It's so hard to tell in this light what it is. No, this is this belt is all black. So this is black on the front and black on the back. So there you got it, all black. But this has the contrasting stitching. So that's a sportier black belt. And I know we also have one that's black with the tone-on-tone stitching when you don't want the contrast, because, you know, Hermes makes a buckle in like almost a dark charcoal, almost black matte finish. And that would go great with the black leather belt with the tone-on-tone stitching, which must be inside one of these, because that's like a real stealthy, you know, kind of belt there. If you want to wear like all black, that's what you wear, the black Hermes buckle and the black leather and the black leather strap, as we say. Now this one, okay, so this is the one that's the tone-on-tone, right? Okay, so there you go, black, tone-on-tone. So stitching in black, leather in black. You got them both that way. And look how nice and soft. I mean, I don't want to take all these out of the thing, but you could see how nice and soft these are, how they move. Just great soft leather. You know, don't you have belts when it's like a hard, you know, like a hard leather? It's like wrapping around your waist like a, you know, like a rope when it's hard leather like that. And let me just take out this last one and we'll see this here. What color we got? Maybe it's another brown, because we made a couple of browns, I think, but let's see. Nope, this is navy. Okay, navy. There you can see easily that it's navy. Navy tone on tone. So navy blue with the navy blue stitching. Also very rich looking belt. Nice with gold. The back of it is black. Front is navy. So it's also very rich looking. Go great with the silver buckle, with the gold buckle, the gold Hermes buckle, or a Gucci buckle, or a Prada buckle if they make one. I don't think Prada makes fancy buckles like that, do they? I'm not sure. Or a Louis Vuitton buckle if you need Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton would fit on this too. So there you have it. I can make you, me a comment if you like these belt straps. They're good for any belt that fits a 35 millimeter, 1.5 inch width of a belt that has a buckle that's a pin buckle. I can make you any size. So if you want very small for a woman, I can make it. Or if you want medium size for anybody, or if you want extra large size, 135 centimeters is about 46 inches, maybe 45 inches, something like that. So we can make those too. So thanks for tuning into this video. Hope you like those. That's something different that you don't see every day, right? Straps of belts where you're already on the buckle and you got to put the buckle on the strap. Those leather straps don't come with a buckle. And that's about it. So take it easy, and I'll see you all again when I'm back at it.